Trademarks are valuable assets for businesses, but what happens when they're abandoned? This video explores the world of abandoned trademarks, how to use them, protect them, and even reclaim them. An abandoned trademark is a registered trademark that is no longer actively used or maintained, leading to its removal from the United States Patent and Trademark Office database. This can happen for various reasons, including non-use for 3 consecutive years, genericism, improper licensing, or failure to enforce rights. However, it's crucial to understand that a dead or abandoned trademark in the Federal Registry doesn't always mean it's free for use. The previous owner may still have common law rights if they continue using the mark in commerce. This means that even without formal registration, they could potentially prevent others from using the trademark. Before considering the use of an abandoned trademark, it's essential to conduct thorough research. This includes checking USPTO records, performing a common law search, and assessing potential legal risks. You should investigate whether the original owner is still selling products or services under the name and look for any online or social media presence that shows continued brand association. If you decide to use or reclaim an abandoned trademark, there are several steps to follow. First, confirm its abandonment status through the USPTO Trademark Electronic Search System. Next, conduct a comprehensive search including common law uses, state corporate names, and domain names. Assess the risks involved, including potential legal challenges from previous owners or consumer confusion. If the trademark appears to be truly available, you can file a new application with the USPTO. Choose the right classification for your goods or services, and provide proof of your intent to use the mark. Once published in the USPTO Official Gazette, be prepared for potential opposition from previous owners or other parties. It's important to note that using an abandoned trademark comes with risks. The original owner may attempt to reclaim their rights, leading to trademark litigation. There might also be brand reputation issues if the abandoned trademark has a negative history. Additionally, the costs of defending trademark rights and re-establishing brand recognition can be substantial. In conclusion, while abandoned trademarks can present opportunities, they also come with complex legal considerations. Before using or attempting to reclaim an abandoned trademark, it's highly recommended to consult with an experienced trademark attorney. They can guide you through the process, help assess the risks, and ensure you're taking the appropriate legal steps to secure your rights. Remember, in the world of trademarks, due diligence is key. By understanding the nuances of abandoned trademarks and following proper legal procedures, you can make informed decisions to protect your brand and business interests.